everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Clash of Clans crashing problem. If you are facing the crashing problem, this is the video for you. I will show you how to fix it. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, then turn your Wi-Fi for a few seconds and on again, or you also can switch to mobile data. If that is not working, then turn your airplane for a few seconds, then turn it off. After doing that, the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. The other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store and search for the app. Then tap on update option if it is available. But version may not work properly. So the other step is check server status or maintenance break. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down or maintenance break. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issues. Then the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. Go to your phone setting, then select the apps or app management, select the app or app list, then search for the app, then tap on the storage and cache, click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. And the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install the game again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives the fresh restart to the app. If none of this helps, then you can contact the support team of Clash of Clans, or they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.